Okay. Alright, so since I'm recording this now, I'm going to start to explain with you guys. So, I have opened up using the folder here because I had started Chocobreak. Up here, if you hover over, here's the storyboard editor, here is the global event editor, here is the frame editor, event list. Here is your frames. We will have more than one frame. This is the run button, F8. The run frame is only F7. You will understand more about this. And then to close out, if you have not made a command, it is Alt F3 or Alt F4. So for Chocobreak, guys, I'm going to teach you the simplest way. You are going to go to the tutorial down here in the library toolbar. You are going to pull in a golden ball. And you are going to pull in any one of the bricks. That is all you will do for right this moment. Well, actually, no. We're going to pull in the sky background. Align it. Then we are going to, so each one of these assets is something that we have to program. I have I don't know why I have two of these sugar vertical green ones, but I'm gonna delete it for now because I don't want it. If you double click on an item, you can, oh, there's the double. Well, actually, I'm going to use this for teaching purposes. So, even though these are both green, so pull in two green ones. And then you can transform the size as needed. I'm going back to the library and I'm going to pick the horizontal one to go at the top. I'm going to align that. Then I'm going to get one last thing. It is the player. Okay, so first step is we are going to click on the golden ball. Then we are going to go over to the properties, look for the running man that says movement, click on it. Right now it says it's static. Static means, and it has a stop sign, so we are changing that to making it a bouncing ball. Then we are going to go over to the global event editor, and we are going to start giving conditions. So we are going to import the ball, and we are going to say when it collides with another object. Well, which object? This first green one. Okay. Well, we've made that. We said when ball and sugar vertical 1 collide, we are going to then right click over here on the ball, and it says, we're going to say that it's going to bounce. Because we have two of a similar looking assets, we also have to make another condition for the ball to do exactly the same with vertical 2. Right click, movement, bounce. New condition. When the ball collides with another object, which is the horizontal pink one, we are going to say the same thing. It is going to bounce. Now, because I want to see how it's going, I'm going to press F8. Okay, it's actually doing that. But I skipped a step in the properties. But here we can go back to the frame, click on the ball, then we are going to go back to movement, and we are going to do the initial direction, and we're going to reset it to be all of these right here. Is it really that funny to be following along on this? Because you should be able to do this. So there you go. Now that I've done that, I'm going to hit run again. And now you see it has changed the movement to the proper way. Now, as I explained before, if you have two objects that look similar, we have to code for each one. Now, I'm going to show you how we make multiple bricks for this game, but we will only have to code it once. You click on it, and then you right click on it, and you go to duplicate. Okay, it's going to ask you for how many rows and columns. Rows, as a reminder, are the horizontal. I'm going to say that I want 10 rows by 10 columns, and I'm going to press OK. So now I have 100 bricks. If I go back to the event editor and make a new condition, and I'm going to click on the ball when the ball collides with another object, and look, I only have one instead of 100 different conditions to set up. Now, when the ball and the brick collide, I'm going to go on to the brick column. I'm going to say that it destroys. Now hit F8 again, and now the ball is destroying it. We have to now go back to our frame editor, and we're going to top, and we're going to go to Insert New Object. We're going to go to the Game tab, and we're going to add in the lives. Press OK. Then we have to click it somewhere. I'll put the lives right here. Same next step. Insert New Object. Score. OK. Put it right here. Now we have to do some movement with the player because the player is not moving. I need to look up the directions on that part because I forgot. Okay, so we click on the guy, we go back over here to movement, and then hold on. Oh, the type here is going to be mouse controlled. Then we are going to select the edit button, and we are going to then hit try movement. And look, now he's all over he's moving. Great. But now this is where we don't have it set up. The mouse is controlling and it cannot go out to hit the Xbox. So I'm going to do Alt F4. And there you go, we have exited out of there. But I want to see, define where the guy, so here. So you see here, this is where it is outlined. So the man can go anywhere within this frame. So we are going to transform and stretch so that he can go all over. We're going to go back to the event editor. Okay, something is like a little frozen here. Oh, press OK. Then we go back to the event editor. We're going to do new condition. When ball collides with another object, which is the man, we're going to say that the ball will bounce. We are also going to add another condition. So up here, these are like so here's where we put sound. This is a storyboard control, the timer, new objects, mouse or the keyboard. That's what we're going to select. When the keyboard, upon pressing a key, then you pick what key you want. Most intuitively is escape. Now, upon escape, we go over here to storyboard control, end the application. Press F8, run it, see if it works. Escape, it works. Okay, then now we're going to go start adding some conditions to, what step are we on? Okay, we're already on page 29 of 44. Look, and we have been, where's the time on this thing? We're only 12 minutes in. So, we are going to now add the score and the conditions for the score. New condition. I'm going to import the lives. No, I don't think that's right. I'm going to hit cancel. I'm going back to the frame. I'm going to click on lives. Then we're going to go into the properties here. Sorry guys, one second. Okay, back into event editor. We are going to then do new condition. I think it's okay, the score. Okay, we're gonna try, oh yeah, player 1. Erg. Okay, alright, I think I remember. So when we destroy the brick, then we player 1 right click score, set score. We are going to set the score to 100. Oh, actually, no, we're going to set the score to 0. Press OK. Then we're going to do score, add to score, 100. I don't know if we have to do 2 conditions for that. We might. We'll test it out and see. Then we are going to do adding to the lives. Okay, so we're going to add the new condition. We're going to click the man, and we're going to do the position. Then we are going to say when the ball leaves the bottom of it, we are going to go to player 1, right click, number of lives, subtract number of lives to 1. Okay, now I'm going to hit run. I'm playing the game, but now look, okay, the score is not going up, but the lives are there. I'm going to stop this part 1, and when we pick back up, we're going to finish up figuring out how to